quantitative. So we have to find the coding of the data, finding out themes, and do. Qualitative research has some approach like inductive, deductive reasoning approaches. So qualitative research follows inductive approach, which is like funnel approach. People say like funnel approach, where you have some general question, you go into a narrow. So where in quantitative you have a specific question, you will come to generalize the topic. So these are some differences with size, method and analysis and comparing to qualitative and quantitative research. Quantitative research enables comparison generalization. Yes, we have understand like we could able to compare the two relationship between the data or experiment. We say like pre and post, what is the difference between the data, and from that we could generalize. Yes, like these people use mobile than these people, and these people use social media than these people. So we could generalize from the data. Wherein qualitative research, which helps you to understand the context, detailed information and the context. So it helps you to explore and understand why do they use, and how, and what, in what circumstances, everything. You can collect from quantitative also, but the depth of that could be done in an non-numerical data. With the non-numerical data you can express in qualitative, with the numerical data you can express in quantitative. So both are different, and people are now going for using it together as a it can be used together as a complementary in researches like mixed method research can be used in a complementary. So any thank you. Any questions? Any questions? If anybody wants to ask any questions, please.
एक गुड रिसर्च के लिए जो सैंपल साइज कितना होना चाहिए?
Sir, quantitative research की sample you can minimum experimental. It's depend on the study totally. Nowadays, foreign they are using with 2-3 case studies also. And we are not going that. Our supervisors are not that much more flexible to understand the context. So minimum of 30 sample you can have in experimental. Survey is depend upon the population that you could collect, because how our special educator population is different, normal teacher educator population is different. All teacher working in school becomes the population of teacher. But we can't say all special educator working in this particular district, but we could be able to reach them and collect the data. It is again, the number will be varies very different. So it's according to the research you can determine the population. Anything else? You have written any questions, ma'am?
इसके लिए कोई रूल बना कि अगर हम डेटा किसी स्कूल पर देते हैं तो वहाँ अगर हम भी अपना क्वेश्चनर देते हैं या अदर देते हैं टूल्स, तो उसमें शामिल